What's crazy is I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I got off early. There's actually the Gold Rush Valley coming through Tulsa right now, and that's where I'm heading. Now, I am in a hurry. It started at 6. It's 6:57. Let's just go see what's going on and hang out, guys. It's gonna be a good night, alright? It's probably be a long night. This line is huge. That's all I can say. We're probably like a mile away from the drag strip, and we're still like... All I'm saying is I'm gonna be here for a little bit. It is 7:06. Let's see how long it takes before we get to the front gate. It's 7:06 right now. It was 7:06 and now it's 7:21. We're just now pulling up to the entrance, but there's still a whole line to get inside. There's gonna be no parking. I'm gonna park way in the back. It's okay. I'm just here to see what races are going on, and hopefully you get to see some of the supercars from the Gold Rush Rally. It's 7:24. We're just now parking. Oh, it's gravelly. Now we're parking. We're not actually racing. We're a little late. I know. This sucks completely. I just heard a twin turbo Huracan. That is my dream setup. I mean, one of them, I guess. But I've just never seen twin turbo setup, so I don't know whose car that is. I heard it. I know that V10. I know the twin turbo, unless it's an R8. So that's gonna be really exciting to figure out. But we'll be in there real sec. We have farm truck. This is Chris, if he wants to be in the vlog. If not, we're just gonna walk around, look at some cars. He has a lot of people that he knows here, so maybe we'll get with them and we'll just let the night play itself. You don't see those. That's like it's basically a competitor to Tesla at the time, but they actually didn't do very well. You know, they're like really sick looking cars in their own style. But it's full electric car. Some big engine. Those are actually very rare.
Oh, Harmers?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
22-inch factory wheels. Oh, those aren't factory, are they?
You see a lot of things on them. I've never seen one. There's a lot of cars here that I've never seen. RT, got some street cars.
Now see, that's my kind of car right there.
That right there?
Yeah.
We definitely have different taste. Oh, like, where's the Beamers and Ferraris?
Right there is about exactly what I wanted to do.
That's how you would set it up?
Yeah.
Do you know what this guy's running? Oh, I like his custom little badge for the gun. Very Oklahoma. These trailers are so sick. Oh, Alex Troy, by the way, where you at though? I know you're here somewhere. Apparently there's a Cadillac here that they use for Uber. Are you really? That's a small tire, isn't it?
Or more of them on.
What's up here?
Check this thing out.
Huh?
Check out this outfit real quick. Showed you with the Elko
Yes.
racing.
Is this it?
Wow.
What kind of tires are running on these cars? Like when they're that wide? Cause I ran a 335 stretch tire on my BMW. That's not even like that. But how wide are they? They're considerable. Drag cars are not my thing, so I know nothing about them. M5, that's a 5 series version.
All right, guys, the crew is making their way back to the starting line. And
Man, more tread. I'd be out here trying to race too.
Chuck Parker.
Check this M5 out, guys.
The 55
Stop, it looks good.
our title sponsor for Outlaw Armageddon 5. Original Oil Field Services. Getting ready to roll down in his Camaro. Gonna see if he's got anything over the McLaren.
Hearing the turbo in this thing makes me drool. Crazy how we can all be car guys, but we have so much different tastes. And that's why there's so much hate in the car scene though.
And 1200 gallons.
We're drooling over their other things. We go together, we can learn about each other's. This is sick.
Oklahoma City Fairgrounds rail car.
They cut that wider.
Yeah.
What is it? One more time.
It's the Oklahoma City Fairgrounds rail car.
This thing's so wild.
Hey, you want to come say a farm show?
They straight put a cage and everything in it too. That's so wild.
It's LS powered.
Clean Evo. Rolls Royce. Dude, this is actually sick looking. This is a clean build. Like genuinely, you see the wrap? They did a wrap below it. That's actually pretty sick. Bye-bye Jaguar. One thing I've never seen before, which you guys will probably hate on me just because I'm from Oklahoma, a Urus, Lamborghini Urus. Generally a pretty cool car. It almost makes me want dreams. I would like have one for wifey in the future when she becomes my wife. This is his favorite car. Runs 9s.
I'm pretty sure it's 9s. You can ask him though.
So sick. The fact that it's an SUV. It's a wide one.
Yeah.
1,200 at the ground on 15 pounds.
I've seen a couple videos of this thing full-size SUVs like this.
As far as I know, he thought I was.
I'm excited to see it.
He thought I was due for it one time.
This thing runs about 1,200 horsepower at 15 pounds. And it's an SUV. It's not even a short SUV, it's an XL.
You don't get to see how fast it goes. You only get to watch it go.
So insane. It's like a brand new one that just came out. These scream. A 720S is like the ultimate dream car for me right now. It's as close to a hypercar as you can get, and they're just so beautiful. It needs bags, it needs the Bailey type, it needs a big ass wing on it. And that thing again. We're over here trying to figure out what this thing is because it looks like a Beetle, but it's not a Beetle. Dude, that's a Beetle.
Yeah.
Oh, this exhaust tip's like 6 inches. I'm starting to fall in love with Urus's. These cars are on a different level that I know anything about. I'm so used to those little inline sixes, turboing them and everything. I'm so sick, like that is wild. Crazy thing is it looks so much simpler than from what I'm used to. And it's complicated that I'm not used to it. That's the worst part.
It's a whole different ballgame.
I feel like I'd be more comfortable working on that thing than that. And that's actually like technological wiring. I'd feel more comfortable doing it. I don't know. We'll be there one day. One day we'll be there. gotta dream harder and start actually working. Because right now I ain't making shit. First time seeing a Ford GT in person. It's all dry carbon side. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful.
Normal mode. 63 for Chuck Parker at 131. Ford, you can always cheat it. About a hand for that thing.
Can't believe this isn't a rally. He's got the wing up.
Show you different ways to put AC in the Huh? No, it's a cheater scan.
It's crazy. Imagine trying to wrap inside of there. Like you can see, they struggle. I mean, they struggle. Whoever did it, but like that would be so difficult to wrap. Props to him even getting that close.
I can fold your mirrors when you close the doors. How about that?
So many angles in that thing. There's so many 720s here. Yeah, I never thought I'd see one of those anytime soon. Not even kidding. That's a rare call. 720 would not be tagged.
How long you gonna give it up?
Wow.
His wings.
1536. I'm literally out in a field with hay bales. Like, this is crazy. The grass is really long too. This is so weird feeling. But the event is over. I'm heading home now, so I guess this ends this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe the video. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.
He's going.
Oh my